I've discovered the simplest Fiverr approach anyone can utilize to begin earning over $5,000 monthly without any expertise by leveraging a groundbreaking AI tool that will handle everything for us. This method is entirely free. No prior skills or knowledge are required, and we can have it operational in merely 10 minutes. However, before we proceed, I ask that you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, as I'll provide the precise steps to profit on Fiverr with this incredibly lucrative brand new strategy right away. Let's begin by heading to fiverr.com, signing up and creating your Fiverr account. Once done, you will be directed to this dashboard, where you will wanna click Become a Seller, enter a few simple details to set up your free Fiverr seller account. As you know, there are numerous services offered on Fiverr. Some require high-level skills, and typically, the higher the skill level, the more the seller earns. I've discovered a high-paying, in-demand service on Fiverr that typically requires advanced skills, but not anymore. This innovative AI-driven platform has now made it feasible for us to offer this service on Fiverr and earn substantial money without any skills whatsoever. We'll accomplish this by selling food product labels, customized branded labels typically seen on packaged food items, bottles, condiments, and so on. This may not be what you would expect for making money on Fiverr, and for good reason. How could an average person without design skills create food product labels of the same high quality as advanced designers offering these services on Fiverr? This new AI tool, I first want to illustrate the immense demand for this service. As you can see, here on Fiverr, there are just over 4,000 search results for people actually providing food product label design services, and the demand far exceeds the supply, which makes sense. There are more customers than advanced graphic designers. To further illustrate this, look at this Pinterest board getting over 10 million monthly views with over 90,000 followers, promoting different product label services they are selling, such as food product labels, cosmetics, and more, which we can offer now. While this particular Pinterest board isn't selling these services on Fiverr, they have their own website, and clicking any of these Pinterest pins takes you there. Either this other Pinterest board with only 400 followers but getting over 500,000 views to their Pinterest board every single month. And as you can see here, this is a product label service they're selling on Fiverr for over $70 for the premium package, which includes the design, mockup, and source file, something we can easily do. With this new AI tool I'm revealing, we'll be able to create designs just like this, even better and much higher quality in my opinion. And we'll also be able to deliver these designs much faster. I'm talking under one day, allowing us to command a much higher price on Fiverr. And the name of this incredible AI-driven design tool is Kittl. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Once you click that link, you will be taken to a screen like this. And all you want to do is click Try Kittl for free, enter a few simple details to sign up and create your free Kittl account. Once signed up and logged into Kittl, you'll be taken to this homepage, and there are numerous ways we can start making money with this incredible AI-driven platform. If I click tools here, there are tons of different AI tools we can use to make money. For example, they have this newly updated AI image generator. Clicking on it takes me to a page like this, where we can literally type in anything we want and click generate image to generate any image we instruct it to, in a wide range of different styles. They also have an AI logo generator where we can simply type in a few words, click create your logo, and it will generate any logo you prompt it to create. But for the sake of this video, to start making money on Fiverr with those product label services, let's head back to the homepage and click labels here. You'll then see a huge selection of professionally designed high-quality product labels that we can easily edit and customize to start making money on Fiverr. They cover a wide range of categories as well, everything from beverage product labels to chocolate, coffee, cosmetics, groceries, and other foods. With the abundance of these different product label templates on Kittl, we can list an endless amount on Fiverr, but I wouldn't recommend doing that when first starting out. You want to take things a bit slowly at first. Obviously, the more Fiverr listings we have, the more customers we can get, which is a good problem to have. But when you first start out, you want to ensure you're not overwhelmed by the amount of customers you get. You want to make sure that in the medium term, you aim to be rated as a top seller to maximize the number of customers you can get. A factor in that is ensuring you're not rushing, that you're providing a good service, and that you're not keeping a large number of customers in the queue as we saw earlier. Now, something you'll notice about these different product label services on Fiverr is they're all listed on top of different mockups. For those who don't know, a mockup is literally a generated photo of the product label appearing on top of the physical product, such as this yogurt container here or this supplement container and so on. We are able to easily generate those mockup images within Kittl itself as well. So let's head back over to Kittl and select one of these product label templates to see how we can easily edit and customize it as per our future Fiverr customers' requests. I'm going to show you how we can place that product label template on top of a mockup so it's ready to list on Fiverr. As you know, there is a wide selection of these different product label templates. For the sake of this video, I'm going to draw some inspiration, and you can do that by going back over to Fiverr and looking at these other product label template mockups photos, or you can go back over to Pinterest. For example, here is the Pinterest profile we saw earlier with all of these different product label mockups that they're selling on Fiverr. They're absolutely crushing it. What I've actually found on Fiverr for some inspiration is this product label for these coffee bags. These look absolutely incredible. They provide a few different mockups for those different designs. There are 2 orders in the queue, and they have got some really good ratings, which tells me these are in high demand. So let's head back to Kittl, click where it says coffee, and here we have a bunch of these different coffee product label templates which we can easily edit and customize to start selling on Fiverr. Let's scroll down a little further. I really like this one. Let's see what else they have. Let's say that for the sake of this video, we're going to go with this one. I'm simply going to click on it and then click where it says use this design, and you'll then be taken to this editing canvas, and we can customize this product label design in an endless number of ways. So let's say, for example, that we wanted to edit this brand name right here. On the right hand side, under text settings, I can simply select another font type, such as this one right here. I can move it around, transform the text, select from a wide range of different text effects. I'm just going to hit Ctrl Z since I really like this original font type for our Fiverr listing, and you can replace any of these text simply by clicking on it. Here it says Austin, Texas. Let's make it say Dallas, Texas, for example. You can change any of these element colors. If I click on this one and hit delete, you can see I've done just that. Now, one way that I think we can really get ahead, what I've noticed with a lot of the different competition over on Fiverr is that they don't provide a logo as part of their design. And that's something that we can easily provide over on Fiverr. With the number of different elements and text effects, it's very easy to create that logo. And we know that Kittl also has that AI logo designer. If I click on this symbol right here, I can click where it says logo generator. And by simply typing in a line of text, I can generate that logo. So once you're happy with your product label design, the next step is to get it onto a mockup so we can list it on Fiverr. And with Kittl, it is super easy, literally one click. I can simply click where it says mockup right here, and by default, our product label design will be placed onto a t-shirt. This is obviously the wrong mockup, so on the left hand side here, I'm going to type something in such as packaging, and hit enter, and I can select from a wide range of these different packaging mockups. This one does look good. Let me scroll down. I think this one looks even better for this coffee bag. So I'm literally going to click on it. I'm going to change the mockup color over here to make it a little bit quicker so our product design stands out even more. I can simply click where it says download mockup right here, and in literally 2 minutes we now have this incredible customizable product label design which we can list on Fiverr. And while they normally do take around 5+ days to deliver, we can fulfill that service a lot quicker. Now, with your first few listings, I do suggest first setting your price lower than the competitions until you start building up some solid ratings. If you did want to charge more for a premium service alongside your listing, what you can do is provide the logo as part of your service to replace this placeholder logo over here. For example, and to maximize the amount of money that you can make with this strategy, you simply want to rinse and want to upload as many of these Fiverr listings as possible by utilizing these different product label designs, templates on Kittl. And to drive a ton of traffic to your Fiverr listing, I strongly recommend utilizing Pinterest, exactly like this Fiverr seller is doing right here. Get over 500,000 views every month. So I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification so that you get notified every single time that I release a new online money making video. Take care.